I'm Erin with Erin & Company at Long & Foster, and today I'm out in Walton Lake with Kelly at our newest listing. Come inside with us.
This home offers 2,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Please come in and see the unique features of this home.
This kitchen features raised panel cabinetry, soft close drawers, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large walk-in pantry.
This screen porch overlooks this spacious backyard. This home site is sited on nearly a ½ acre. You have a Trex deck with a hot tub, fire pit, fenced in backyard. This master bedroom is spectacular. The master bath suite is updated. You have vaulted ceilings and a loft.
If you have questions about this home, give our team a call today.